In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to remove browsing data on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon. Actually, I do have the update sign here, but you should have 3 dots icon or this update one, and then select history. And here just tap on clear browsing data, and you will find here basic and advanced features. So under basic, you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced, you will find 3 more, which are saved passwords, out of from data, and site settings. Just mark them all, or just unmark something that you would like to leave, to have, and then select the time range right here. Let me pick all time, then click on clear data, and that's it. As you can see, from now on there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.